Oh friends, so welcome back to another important video of semiconductor physics. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about the intrinsic semiconductor. So what is intrinsic semiconductor? The complete information about the intrinsic semiconductor I'm gonna talk in this video. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So the semiconductor which do not contain any impurity but may have the crystal defect in it, that is called as the intrinsic semiconductor. So intrinsic semiconductor behaves as insulator at temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin because the energy is not sufficient to break the bond inside the semiconductor. Okay, so after increasing the temperature, the semiconductor will act as the conductor. Okay, so this is the main phenomenon of intrinsic semiconductor. In case of the intrinsic semiconductor, under thermal equilibrium, the concentration of electron is equal to the concentration of holes, that will be Ni. So here Ni is equal to nothing but that is intrinsic carrier concentration. Okay. So this is all about the intrinsic semiconductor. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.